Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to unlink your email in your TikTok account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now let's first open our TikTok app first. So you need to know one thing before you unlink your email address. When you link your email address to the TikTok account, makes your TikTok account more secure. And if you want to unlink it, make sure you link it with another one, that because TikTok needs to know there's an email account connected to your TikTok account. So okay, to unlink your account, let's go to our profile first by tapping to the profile button on the bottom right corner of your phone. Tap there, and after that you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your phone. Tap there, and you can see the settings and privacy option pop out. Tap there, and after that let's go to manage account over here, and you can see my email has been linked to this TikTok account. So let's unlink it. TikTok will send a code to our Gmail, and I have received it. Let's go to our Gmail account. Okay, we have received the code. Let's input the code. And there guys, our email has successfully unlinked from our TikTok account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding this topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.